my god. Holy. Right, whole new top here. Pretty wild. Whoa. And stepping out. Right, into this big dirty chute. This is pretty wild and you want to judge your speed. Quite nice. We're coming in, big left-hander. Right, join back into the last year's track. Oh my god. Holy. Oh. Mind my language, that was so sketchy. I'm trying to pre-shift for the big boys, the 90 footers. Pedal. Ooh. Oh. Holy. Jesus, that's 90s done. Right, coming into big old road gap here. Alright, this is actually kind of one of the hardest sections in the track. So techy. And then we're into big bay. Oh, oh, that is wild, that. Right, I need to actually shut up here, focus, because I'll flatten myself. Whoa. Right, big flat lander. Oh, jeez. Right, and then we're coming into round the end of the track, into the final finish. Pedal. Right, gotta sprint now. One speed tuck. Whoosh. Oh, and that is the hardline track preview 2020.